sa bus terminal, but nagtataka kayo, why is it called bus terminus? Because it's singular. Terminal is plural. Tama ba yun, Dad? I think so too. Welcome to the bus terminus. MJ! MJ! Terminus because it's singular. One only. Terminal is plural. So this is the bus terminal just below the Hong Kong airport. Arrival area.
NP1, NP2 tayo.
So, where are we heading to, Kuya DM? So, Kuya DM is our navigator. Baka hanggang dito lang yung cart, guys. Ha? Are you sure? Remove na. Bawal na yung dalhin dun sa malayo. Dun sa gilid na.